Hey, Classy. Week two. All right. So, and it was nice talking to you tonight also before I did this video. So, real quick here, let's get in here. So we're at past week one pretty much. Um, and in the discussions, just do your initial post and then, reply to the video, and that'll take care of your discussions. But as we get into week two here, so week one, the assignment was, basically to begin your project, with the capstone project with the statement of the problem, and so that's gonna like into week two here, it'll be you just continue, okay, you just add. So this part will be the second part. So when you look in your instructions, it has it all. It has it all in there for you. Let me get here. Yeah. All right. So, this is just, a lot of administrative, what you've done, what the project is about. Just read this over a couple of times. Pick the company. We talked about that. In your case, McLean, if you have that information, or if not, you can pick, some other company. And this is like the generic, 20 pages, max 35. Then you also got the PowerPoint, which complements the paper that we already talked about. And then the breakdown. All right. So here's the breakdown. This is a typo right here. It says title page. That should be, together title page. So you got table of contents. I already told you don't worry about the executive summary. Just go into the introduction, and then the statement of problem. So week one, statement of problem. And week two, we're going to do the analysis. All right. So when you get further down here, just scroll down. You got the explanation of what the statement of the problem is. And you've already done something similar to this in that previous course. We talked about the research course. All right. So now I also have over, I'm going to pull this over. I think, let me see if this is the right one. There's a couple. I'm going to show you a couple of samples here. So, a title page. Then the next page is supposed to be table of contents. So like this particular one has a lot of, it's not formatted correctly, I should say. So what I show you here may not necessarily be formatted correctly. So like this student did an executive summary, but then you have the introduction, and the introduction is basically telling the reader what you're going to tell them in the rest of the paper. All right. And so, this wasn't necessary. It should have been just part of the introduction. But then you go into the identifying the problem. And so this was incorrect. This should be statement of the problem. And you go down here. I'll also probably send you a sample so you can kind of see. So here's another one. Let me see if this one was any. So here's another one. Table of contents, executive summary, which was pretty long on this student. That's one of the reasons I may have said let's not do these executive summaries, because and this is like the introduction page here, okay, and then statement of problem, and then it's usually about a page or so, and then analysis. All right, so we just get into the next parts and everything. So I mean, so this is pretty much how it's supposed to be done. And I'll, just, get in touch with me if you need any help or anything on these, and I can send you some, assistance here. But otherwise, I'll stop here, all right, because I can ramble for a long time. I will show you my test question. Just you're done, but still, 5 and 9-year-olds. Where did I take them the other day? So okay, and with that, I'll let you go. All right. Again, don't feel free to text me or call me or whatever the case, or email. So all right, Classy. You take care. Have a great week. And that'll do it. Take care.